Okay, grade 4s. I'm going to show you a trick on how to multiply some larger numbers together. Let's say I ask you, what is 4 times 9? And you forget and you can't remember. So, I forget what's 4 multiplied by 9. This is 4 groups of 9. So you draw it out. You have 4 groups. You have 9 in each group. And notice how I'm organizing my x's, by the way. I'm putting them in little groups of 3. I'm making little arrays, because when I do that, I can look at it and say 3, 6, 9, I have 9 x's, I'm correct. Versus, that's much better than doing this and just kind of putting them all over the place, because, I didn't do that. 7, 8. But something like this, it gets messy and you can easily make an error. So if you put them into little tiny arrays, it makes it much easier. Okay, so I have 4 groups of 9. Okay, I don't want to go 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. I want something easier because math doesn't always have to be hard. I could group them or chunk them into groups. So 2 groups of 9, and this is 2 groups of 9. And if I add them together, I'm going to get the same answer. So 2 multiplied by 9 plus 2 multiplied by 9 is the same as 4 multiplied by 9. It's the same thing. I'm just chunking it into smaller pieces. And I know what 2 times 9 is. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18. So the answer is 18 plus 18. So 8 plus 8 is 6. I regroup. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So the answer is 36. It's a sneaky way of doing it. Makes it a little bit easier. Let's do one more. I want to do one more with you. It's kind of fun. Let's do 6 times 7. So I'm going to draw my 6 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to put 7 in each group. And again, I'm making little arrays. I'll just put the extra 1 on the bottom. One more. Okay, now I'm going to go back. Make sure I'm correct. I have 6 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I have 7 in each group. And I can just do a quick visual because I organize my x's into little arrays. I'm thinking, I don't know how to do this. But again, hey, I can break it into 3 groups. Make it easier. So now I have 2 groups of 7, 2 groups of 7, and 2 groups of 7. And if I add those all together, I'm going to get the same answer. So it's 14 plus 14 plus 14. It's going to give me the answer for 6 times 7. So I'm going to add them all together. 4, 8, 12. Regroup. 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is 42. So 6 times 7 is 42. So that's a good way of breaking down larger numbers, right, to get the answer. And later when we get into really big numbers, it makes multiplying in your mind very quick and easy. And you'll amaze people how fast you can do it once you practice it. It just takes practice. You got to practice. Okay, so I'd like you to practice doing that at home. If you want to go back, watch the video again, do those 2 examples with me, go along with me, practice with me, and then try your own. Okay, have fun.